Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is for the testing part that I cannot do during my presentation, which is a storage dump testing, which is this is test case testing storage dump theft attack on the application. So the description is this testing is to show the level of the security of the offline database when an attacker tries to open it using third-party SQL tools. For example, DB browser, SQL. So test case scenario, an attacker extract secure vault DB and attempt to read it. Extract the database file, a pass, but to open in SQL browser cannot read the plaintext data pool is didn't read decode without master password is failed also. For the proof of this testing is as I said, I use the Android Studio. We must find the data. Inside the data, find the data also. And then go to from example secure password manager and go to database and download the secure vault DB. Save save to whatever you want. For example, I want to save FYP 2022. All right, it's done. And then go to the browser and open the database. Find the database, open. It shows that could not open the database file. Reason if file is not the database. Basically, the tools completely failed to open it and gave a file is not a database error. This proves to you that the AES 256 equation via the SQL cipher work perfectly. Even if a hacker successfully steal the raw file, the data inside looks like a completely unreadable. And unless they have the user exact master password, they can open. All right. Next, we will focus to the next one, which is we have the brute force attack testing. And this question for this testing is to show how the system even against the repeated login attempt. Test case scenario is attacker use a script or fast typing to guess the pin or password. Enter the wrong pin 5 times is fast, and the wrong password fast is fast also. UI lockout 30 seconds is fast, and the hacker can access the vault if failed. So this is a brute force attacking testing. Maybe I can show you how it works. So basically, to prove my apps stop this file, I wrote an automatic integration script on on the Android Studio. This one. It app like managed spot that automatically typing the wrong password and hitting the unlock button as fast as the computer processor allow. Um, Maybe we can show. So to show that you must on the Android Studio, this one, and then we do a flutter test integration test slash app test dot and enter. Maybe you can split the screen for a minute. Where is it? Where the Android Studio? Over here. You can see that it's loading. Give it times to execute the bot. We only use 5 attempts to attempt the password. Give me some time to complete. And then we open like this. Test starting. We'll go to master password and log out. Try to attempt 5 times. And then you will log in. So it shows that all tests pass, which means the security instantly caused the bot exactly on the correct attempt. My rate limiting defense kick in and completely disable the user interface, locking the attacker out for 30 seconds. Furthermore, my apps use PBKDF3 automatically hashing, which purposely delay every single guess by a tiny fraction of a second. Together, this defense prove that automatic brute force attack against my login screen is mathematically impossible to complete. So, all right, that's all from me. Thank you.